Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This vehicle features a 6.4-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive, and it is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle. As we get closer to the front of the vehicle, you'll be able to take note on that hood that this vehicle is a brilliant bright white clear coat, as well as having chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on that large grille. We'll now make our way over to the side of the vehicle and take a look down there at those tires and wheels. These wheels are 18-inch styled steel, and as for the tire treads, they have a significant amount of their life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements in just a second, as this vehicle, in addition to all the vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. As you'll be able to notice here, you do have turn signal indicators on the edge of the mirror, which will help other drivers see it just a little bit better. And on the inside, you'll notice that these mirrors are heated, which will help with fogging up, as well as de-icing it in inclement weather. We'll take a look now on the inside of the vehicle, and I'll show you what those look like. You'll notice that these seats are a beautiful dark gray cloth upholstery. And we'll just peek into the glove box here and bring out the results of that multi-point inspection I was just talking about. Alright, as you can see here, these tire treads are 17/32 all the way around, so they've got a substantial amount of life left in them. And as for your brake pads, they are 10/32 in the front and 13/32 in the rear. So you've got a good amount of life on all those. Won't be needing to replace any of those anytime soon. And right beside that, we'll be going over the CARFAX Vehicle History Report. You'll be noticing that CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle there, but you might also notice that it does have a minor damage report. That minor damage report is only cosmetic and just in the back, as you'll be able to see here. Again, it's only cosmetic, so it is absolutely nothing that will impact the integrity of this vehicle whatsoever, but you'll be able to see that yourself in just a bit. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the owner's manual with it as well, so if you have any questions about it, you'll be able to look it up in there. Making our way now to the rear occupant seating, you'll be able to see here that those cloth upholstery is continuing there, and they do have a lot of leg room there. I'd also like to point out they do get two cup holders back here, as well as the air vents down there. I'd also like to point out that all of the doors in this vehicle have power windows, as well as cup holders to store any items you might want to put in there. As we make our way around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll be able to see that this pickup already has a tow bar installed for a trailer hitch hookup. This vehicle also has a trailer braking system already installed as well. Taking a look a little bit higher, you'll notice that this vehicle does have a backup camera to help you whenever you're in reverse, or again if you're dealing with a trailer. I'll take the tailgate down now so you can see the back. This is a 3/4 ton pickup with a standard bed size, so you'll be able to haul a lot of good loads in there. As you can see, the bed of the truck is lined to keep it nice. However, that is also where the minor damage report comes in, as the lining is warped and that there are scratches and stains there in the gap where the bed ends and the tailgate begins, as you'll be able to see. This truck has been well loved, and it's looking for a new owner who will care for it a long time. We'll now make our way around the vehicle here to the front driver's side. This vehicle does come with powered mirrors and windows, as well as power door locks. And we'll take a look over here to the driver's seat, as it has four-way manual adjustments, so you can move the seat forward and backwards, as well as tilting the seat forward and back. The steering wheel also has a two-way manual adjustment, so you can tilt it up and down to make sure it fits you comfortably. And to the left of the steering wheel is your lighting controls, both for your headlights as well as for your dashboard. I'll just hop inside the vehicle now and turn it on for you. Alright, now that the engine's on and the dashboard's lit up, you can see this vehicle has about 54,152 miles on it. And we'll take a look over here now to the left side of the steering wheel, as these are your dashboard navigation buttons, so you can cycle through all of these services and information this vehicle provides for you. Right above those are your Bluetooth call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And taking a look over here to the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise control settings. We'll just look over here now to the center console. This console does have an LCD touchscreen display, and I'll just throw this vehicle in reverse real quick to show you that backup camera in action. Right underneath that display is your volume knob, and right underneath that is your climate control settings. To the left of that is your gear shift, as well as your four-wheel drive shift. And this vehicle is a push to start. Underneath that gear shift is your USB charging ports, and to the right of that is a small storage compartment for any small items. Continuing down the middle center, you'll be able to see another space for you to store items, as well as 3 cup holders. And right behind that is another place to store some items, with an additional USB charging port. I'd also like to mention the seat does fold up, so this vehicle can seat a total of 6 people. And lastly, I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience. Now in this last section of the video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be going over any blemishes, nicks, or stains this vehicle might have. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and so we want to make the purchasing process as straightforward and transparent as we possibly can. We want you to know exactly what you're getting with this vehicle, imperfections and all. I wasn't really able to see anything in this cabin here, aside from here on the driver's side door. There's a small nick there. So we'll make our way now outside and around the vehicle, starting with the front. There are several stone chippings here, and as we get closer to the front, there are some more, especially here on that chrome. Stone chipping is extremely common. The only way you can really avoid stone chipping is just by not driving your vehicle. This vehicle is also a white with those chrome accents. Both tend to show a little bit more than a darker color might. Again, on that stone chipping there along the bottom. The running boards are in good condition aside from those few stone chips as well. We'll continue our way along the back. There's a stain there and another one there. And we'll move our way along here now to the rear. Now down here along the bumper and along the top of the tailgate are typically where there are a lot of scratches and nicks. There's one there. Just as people don't take great care putting items in and taking items out. And there is that warping that you had seen earlier. We'll just go over that again, as well as in the bed. There along the top of the tailgate, you are able to see some scratches there. Those 2 small bumps there. And some scratches down there on the driver's side back. There's some nicks up there. Continuing our way down the driver's side. Here on the driver's doors, a little scuff. Stone chipping. And that generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a 3/4 ton white crew pickup with a trailer brake controller, sturdy side steps, and a tow bar already installed, the ability to seat 6 people in it, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.